In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a row in Google Sheets. If you've ever spent time copying, pasting, and fixing formatting just to reorganize your data, this will save you a lot of effort. We're focusing on two simple approaches: a quick drag and drop, and a precise menu option for moving a row one spot at a time. Let's start with the fastest method. First, click the row number on the far left to select the entire row. When you do this, the whole row will highlight across the sheet, which tells you everything in that row is included: values, formulas, and formatting. This is important because clicking inside a single cell won't move the whole row. It could shift just that cell and break your data alignment. With the row selected, move your cursor to the top or bottom edge of the selection. As you hover there, you'll see the cursor change to a hand icon. That's your cue that you're in the right place to pick up the entire row. Click, hold, and drag the row to its new location. As you drag, watch for the visual guideline that shows exactly where the row will land. Release the mouse when you're at the spot you want. Your row moves in one smooth action, and Google Sheets keeps your formatting and formulas intact. This approach is ideal when you want to rearrange rows quickly, jump multiple positions at once, or visually line things up. Now, if you prefer a more controlled step-by-step move, try the menu method. Again, select your row by clicking its number. Then go to the Edit menu at the top, choose Move, and select Row Up or Row Down. Each click nudges the row by exactly one position. This is perfect for small adjustments when you want precision without dragging, or when you're using a trackpad and want to avoid accidental drops. It's also a reliable way to keep the structure of your sheet consistent while making careful changes. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure you always start by selecting the row number to avoid moving just part of your data. If you're working with multiple adjacent rows, you can select them together and use the same methods to move them as a block. And if something doesn't land where you expected, don't worry. You can always undo and try again. That's it. Use drag and drop for speed, or the Edit menu for precise one-step moves. With these two methods, reorganizing your sheet becomes fast, clean, and stress-free.